Okay, we're going to start by learning about some different functions on our TI-84 calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is calculate some statistics with that. So what I need to do is enter in some data to get those statistics. So I'm going to click on the Stat button, and when I do that, it offers me three things. Either I can edit some lists, I can use some calculations, or I can do some tests. Right now I want to edit, so I'll click the 1 button. And as you can see, excuse me there, I have already inputted some data values, 26, 24, 12, 47, so on and so forth. If you wanted to input these same data values into your calculator and work this with me, by all means, now is a good time to do that. Pause the video now and enter in all the data pieces after you have them copied down. Now, as you can see, we have approximately 25, I think, data pieces, yes. Yes, in our data set. So what we're going to do is begin to use the statistics key and perform our first set of calculations. So if I click on my stat key again, remember I clicked stat to enter the information in. I click stat again, and now I can calculate, or I can do some tests. So I'm going to go over to calculate, and you can see the options that it shows me. 1 var stats, 2 var stats, a mean, a median, a line reg, court reg, etc., etc. The two keys that we're the most interested in at this point in time are 1 and 2, the 1 var stats and the 2 var stats. When we have two variables, we'll use 2 var stats. When we have one variable, we'll use 1 var. Right now, we have all of our data set in L1, which is one variable. So I'm going to click on the number 1 and hit, and as you see, when it pops up, now it's asking us a question. It says, what do you want to use for the statistics? Well, I want to choose the L1. Now, if you look at your calculator, right above the 1 key in blue is the letters L1. So I need to hit the blue key and choose the blue letters that I want. So I'm going to go my second key, and then I'm going to go L1, so as I can pull my cursor down. Oh, I didn't get it right. Alright, I'm going to back up. And I can go stat. Calculate. Option 1. And now I go second. And then the 1 key. You guys are probably already there. And now it pops L1. And now go over to your enter button. And there we have. We have calculated the mean, the sum of x squared, the standard deviation, that's the S sub x, if it were a sample, and the sigma x if it were a population.